Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A3 Sportback 35 TFSI S-line with the S-tronic gearbox. Now, this particular example is also finished in the optional Mythos block metallic paintwork, which really give it that standout road appearance. As well, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Now, looking at the key features, and with this being the S-line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-line styling, such as the front bumper and rear diffuser, as well as the side skirts as well. You also get those chrome accents, such as the window surround and the Audi badging. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 18-inch 5-arm dynamic design alloys finished in a brushed aluminium, and they do really stand out against that lovely black paintwork. Now, to the side of the A3 there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as protecting those valuable items from view as well. Now, moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Sportback, where we do find up to 380 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for a hatchback of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few additional carry-on bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior finished in this fantastic light grey. As well as this, you do get a leather centre armrest, which just fold down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which make the A3 Sportback fantastic for family usage. Now, moving into the front of the vehicle, we find this fantastic interior with a large amount of plush material expected of Audi, with a host of leather, Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the S-line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from these full sports S-line seats, which are very comfortable and do have a fantastic design. Above now, there is also the virtual cockpit, which is featured with two digital rev counters, and by pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can change the view of this overall display. To the centre of the dashboard now, where we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, and which does also feature the satellite navigation, and also allows access to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A3 Sportback 35 TFSI S-line. This vehicle is now available at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.